The FreeStyle Libre 3 app sends glucose data to my phone every minute and creates detailed reports I can see right in the app, which I use to better understand my glucose trends and patterns.
You can access reports from the app home screen. From the main menu, tap Logbook, or tap on one of the other history options under Reports. The FreeStyle Libre 3 app can store up to 90 days of information and includes detailed glucose reports such as daily patterns, time in ranges, low glucose events, average glucose, a daily graph, and sensor usage. Let's look at the time in ranges report. It has a graph showing the percentage of time your sensor glucose readings were above, below, or within certain glucose ranges. The custom graph is based on the ranges you set, and the standard graph is based on the target range of 70 to 180 milligrams per deciliter. Now, we'll look at the Logbook, a helpful tool for understanding your glucose history so you can make diabetes management changes. The Logbook logs your high and low glucose alarms, along with any notes you've added. You can view any day in your logbook by tapping the calendar symbol or using the arrows. Adding notes helps fill in the details about how daily activities like meals, insulin doses, exercises, and medication can impact your glucose. And it's easy to do. To add a note, tap Add or Edit Note from the home screen and select a checkbox next to the note you would like to add. After you check the box, you can add more specific information to your note. For instance, you can add a note about a meal with details about carbs or serving information, or how much insulin you took. Tap Done to save your note. Notes you add are shown on your glucose graph and in your logbook as symbols. To review a note, just tap on the icons of either food, insulin, or exercise. With the FreeStyle Libre 3 system, your logbook and reports are easy to access from the app and can provide valuable insights to help you manage your glucose daily. And you can feel confident knowing you're getting the full picture because your reports are generated from glucose readings sent directly from your sensor to the app every minute. Learn how to remove and replace your sensor in the next video.